In this video, we'll show you how to find out when you first became friends with someone on Facebook. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. This can be an interesting way to look back at your friendships, and it's quite simple to do. Let's get started. On the Facebook app, start by tapping the menu button in the bottom right corner, or if you're using a different device, it might be in the top right. From there, go ahead and tap on Friends. Next, tap on Friends at the top of the screen. Now, find the person you want to check this for and tap on their profile. Once on their profile, look for the three dots on the right side. Tap on them to see a list of options and select See Friendship. You'll now be able to view the exact date when you first became friends on Facebook. In this example, it's in January. That's all there is to it. If you found this helpful and would like to see more guides like this, consider subscribing and giving the video a thumbs up. Check out the channel for more useful tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.